In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress in your Namecheap cPanel hosting account. So first, make sure you are on the official website of namecheap.com and already logged in with your credentials. So once you're inside, you will see here the dashboard. And now find your hosting package. So as you can see in here, I don't have yet a hosting package, so you'll need to avail for that. So click go to cPanel beside the hosting plan you want to manage, assumingly, and then inside the cPanel dashboard, scroll down to the Softaculous Apps Installer section and then click on the WordPress icon. So this is the easiest and fastest way to install WordPress automatically. So on the WordPress overview page, click on the Install Now button and you'll be taken on to the installation settings page. And then in here, you can choose protocol, choose domain, and in directory. So scroll down and set up your site name, description, and most importantly, your admin username, password, and email. So after that, you can select a WordPress theme now or just go to the default and change it later. So after that, once you review all your settings, click the install button at the bottom and then the installation will take about a minute. So when the installation is complete, you'll see two links, one to your WordPress site or your domain.com and one to the WordPress admin dashboard, which is your admin.com. Click the admin link and log in using the username and password you just created, and you're now ready to start building your website. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.